Hi there, awesome friends. Today we're going to do a few little tricks, very simple, refreshing some of the previous techniques and using our copper tape, which I absolutely love. So for South African friends, I still have the 5 centimeter wide tape available. Just drop me a message if you're looking for some. Okay, so this is the lovely 10 centimeter wide copper tape, which is perfect size for ATC. And what I have done is I've already prepped a tag for you, or ATC for you, is that I crumple the tape up. And I love the sound it makes. Listen. As I've mentioned in previous tutorials, this tape is very, very thin. Much thinner than your 30 micron metal tape. So here we go. And remember, always peel. And you can see I didn't remove the whole backing, I just removed a portion. And then place your tag on your foil or your copper tape. And here we go. So, using my blade, trim it. So the copper, you've got to be a little bit more gentle because it tears quite easily. And here we go. You can see I didn't cut quite through on the corners, but I'll rather trim that with my scissors. There we go. And here. Okay. What I wanted to show you is that it's quite creased. Now on this one you'll see I've actually smoothed an area in the middle. I'm not sure if you can see if you compare the two together. And I've left the outer edges quite crumpled because I like that technique. Pardon me. So this is an imprint of some lovely circles that I made. And I just wanted to show you that this is the same imprint, and all I did was fussy cut it out and then cut the center out, so I've made it like a little frame. And I just wanted to show you how something so simple can be beautiful. I have already done a little bit of prep work for you behind the scenes, as you can see by fussy cutting that, but let's take the backing off. Okay, sorry, there you go. And this imprinted tape is your 70 micron thick metal tape. And I have these lovely, you call them peel-offs, I think, in America. We just call them laser stickers, which you can get at your stationery store. So I've had these for quite a while. And because I can't really see exactly where I want to place it, I'm going to place it on here first instead of on the card because I want it to be centered. So look how cute that is. So looking at our little laser stickered and framed, and you could leave that card just as is because it's really, really beautiful. But I have another 3-dimensional sticker which I bought before COVID, so I have no idea where it came from. And these are like dimensional. I don't know if you can see that. They're called puffy stickers. So I really liked this puffy sticker, and I'm going to put it on there. So look how amazing that is. A little 3-dimensional card. So take a look at your sticker stash and see what you can make. But we're going to try another one and perhaps a different little why do I want to say emblem, a little print. So yeah, let's use this one, and we won't make it a frame, we'll just make it an embellishment. And if you want to see how to do the imprints, you can just use stencils or anything look back on some of the previous tutorials and you'll see some interesting ways to mark your tape. Okay, so there's a little imprint here. And this one, I think we should technique a little bit more. So I am going to use the packaging here. Take the card out. Use the packaging. And for this one, I think I'm going to put a frame. So, sorry, just looking for my card. And we're going to frame it here with our ballpoint pen. And I really do like using the ballpoint pen on the copper because it's a little bit kinder. Your tools, if you work too hard, do tear the copper. So, stick with the ballpoint pen. And the other bonus is that the ballpoint pen actually writes on the copper. You can see there. Okie dokie. And here. And it's really wonderful to sit in natural light again. The last couple of weeks we have had so much rain and every day is a grey day, and you kind of lose your mojo when every day is a grey day. We're very grateful for our rain though. We've had water restrictions for more than 7 years. So our dam is now full. But unfortunately, these days, water is becoming quite a scarce commodity. And our municipality really manage our town really well. And I think our water restrictions will continue as they manage our water supply. Okay. And here. So all I'm doing is, you can see, drawing little lines always towards the edge so you don't hook your tape. So drawing towards the edge. And when my mojo is lacking, then I make embellishments or words so that when I am ready to craft, I always have a supply of them. So these little embellishments I must have made last year. We're going to use that now. So, what do you do when your mojo is lacking? Move that over a little bit. And you can see I am using my hand to smooth it down. I don't want to use the credit card because it'll take away all those lovely creases that we have. And let's have a look. Have we got a nice flower here that we can use? I think I used the only beautiful one. Oh, we'll use this one. So look how puffy these flowers are. They're gorgeous. And we'll use that one in the middle. So look at the difference. One of them is bordered and one has no border. And you can actually see here, maybe I'm biased, that a border is everything. It really, really makes a difference. So I think I am going to put a little border on here, but nothing fancy. And I have to be careful now so I don't squash my lovely fat sticker. I'm only going to put a line border. Went a bit skew there, and you can see I'm not drawing over the little petals. I'll show you that now. So So look on the side, I didn't draw over the petals. So which is your favorite with the crumpled copper? I think it's really beautiful working with this. Pity is just such an expensive product in South Africa, but the color and the way it reflects is absolutely gorgeous. Now these two, I have not used anything to distress the copper. I haven't used my Sharpie marker or anything. I've left them bold and bright, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Rose gold. Anyway, show me what you can do with stickers. I hope you have a wonderful day, and hi from a chilly garden route.